uniform. At the front of that T-shape, which is called Dagger, are Enid, red 1 to 5, named after Enid Blyton's famous 5. And at the back, red 6, 7, 8 and 9, collectively known as Jippo. Jippo was the nickname of the gentleman who first led the back 4 aircraft when the Rhyl Air started flying 9-ship displays in 1968. So, cameras ready, straight ahead. We're about to start the second part of our display with the detonator. Enid, break goes, says red 1, there they go at the top. Now keep your eyes on Jippo. With his smoke changing from blue to white, to our right hand side is red 6. He's the leader of the Synchro pair. He is Flanagan Tom Bolt. Tom is in his 3rd and final year in the team. He is a former Tucano flying instructor and display pilot, and then operationally he flew the Typhoon. Down to 100 feet these 4 jets come now. You've got 7 and 9 on the left, 6 and 8 on the right, closing at 820 miles per hour. Get ready for the Jippo pass. Keep their smoke on. Now full power, they're turning away from us, pulling 6G or 6 times the force of gravity. Everything in these pilots' bodies is now 6 times heavier, which wants to go from their blood wants to go from their brains to their feet. So they're working hard now, fighting the G-force as they fly the Cyclone. Once again, the Synchro pair are going to slingshot out to the front. Now we need to look to the right-hand side to find Enid. Here they come from the right. Get down, says red 1. The wings of Enid drop down to form an inverted V-shape. Now, looking left, here comes a lone jet. This is red 9. He's now going to fly through this beam in the Goose. Instructor. Enid off to our front left with white smoke. Now you need to look directly ahead to find the Synchro pair. Pulling up at 500 miles an hour at 5G. Here comes Synchro. I'm sure you've guessed what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Red 6 and 7 at 7,000 feet have their red smoke on as they draw a huge heart in the skies above Rhyl. Keep looking to the top right of the heart. Here comes red 8. Our Team Cupid today, he's about to draw a spear through the hearts. Red 8 is Flight Lieutenant Mike Bowden, a 3rd year pilot in the team. He is a former Hawk instructor, Harrier GR9 pilot, and Tornado GR4 pilot. Now you've got red 6 and 7 left and right again, currently flying at 1,000 feet. They are max performing back towards us, dropping down to 100 feet. Each of the pilots now bringing their aircraft up to 400 miles per hour. Crossing again, they're going to fly the opposition barrel rolls. Looking front left 45 astern go, says Red 1. The white smoke is on. They're now stacked top to bottom. Reds 1 to 5, and as Red 1 enters a left-hand turn, the following pilots use their feet to control the runner, to swing the jets out like a pendulum in line astern. Normally we fly our formations with odd-numbered pilots on the left and even-numbered pilots on the right, but in this shape it's the other way round. Reds 2 and 4 are now on the left, Reds 3 and 5 are on the right, but now they're going to switch to their normal sides by doing this in the slalom. They are feeling back in their comfort zones now with 2 and 4 on the right, 3 and 5 on the left, forming battle formation. Each of the pilots now lining up. Red 1's wingtip with his nose to put the jet around 20 feet apart. Red 1 calls power tightening, squeezing to around 4G. He tells the pilots to put their red smoke on. And now switching back to white smoke as Enid presents battle. Enid finishing over to our front right now. Bring your eyes further right for Jippo. To the right hand side for the Hurricane. Reds 8 and 9 there with the colour smoke on, rolling around Synchro, who roll upright and inverted at different stages during that fabulous Hurricane manoeuvre. Now look front right 45 degrees for Enid. Enid are in a shape called Leader's Benefit, and they're about to draw a red, white and blue snake-like shape of smoke in the sky as they fly the Python. Reds 2, 3, 4, 5 switch to white smoke as Red 1 puts this red smoke on for this second Python roll. And on the far right of that shape is Red 4. Flight Lieutenant Matt Masters, a second-year pilot in the team. He's a former Tucano instructor and Tornado F3 pilot. Now, looking straight ahead to find the 4 jets of Jippo. Reds 8 and 9 with the coloured smoke rolling around Reds 6 and 7. They then roll. Get ready for the Jippo break. With his smoke changing from blue to white on the left-hand side is Red 7. He is Synchro number 2. Flight Lieutenant Taylor. Is a second-year pilot with the team. He is a former Tornado GR4 pilot. He then moved across to fly the Typhoon, eventually becoming an instructor, teaching new Typhoon pilots how to fly that fabulous aircraft. So now we've got Synchro 2 on the left. Synchro Leader comes in from the right, back to 100 feet to fly the double rolls. Pull go, says Red 6. Coloured smoke, full power, 6G. Now upside down at 300 feet, back down to 100 feet. Now look to the left-hand side. Here come Enid. The inside pilots pitch up to the outside as they fly the rollbacks. Enid finishing their very symmetrical and colourful rollbacks to our right-hand side. They finish by entering a left-hand turn. Now we need to look left and right again for the synchro pair and their final manoeuvre. This time red 6 comes from the left and red 7 from the right. Here they come with their white smoke on. They're closing at 800 miles per hour. They're going to cross 3 times in opposing 360-degree turns, putting 6G in the carousel. Colored smoke 6G. Remember, they're working hard, trying not to black out under those G-forces. They wear special inflating trousers to try and stop that blood going out of their brains to their feet. Swapping now as they cross from red to blue and vice versa. Around the front they will switch to white smoke. Now Rhyl, let's please hear it for the synchro pair! Now in the distance once again Enid have been joined by reds 8 and 9 for the displays finale. Here they come, 7 headlights coming towards us with the white smoke on. Cameras ready. One rolling, says red 1, he has his red smoke on. He is pitching up to draw the mathematical symbol for infinity now. For the infinity break. You have been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. We'll see his smoke trail and get vision with him as quickly as possible. They're going to gather up as a 9-ship and head back to Harden, where our team of engineers will now service the jets, ready for our next event, which is to fly down to Cornwall tomorrow morning. We have a display in the Scilly Isles for Bank Holiday Monday, before then heading home tomorrow evening for a day off before it all starts again for the end of for next weekend. Now, most of you will know the geography around here. You know that